Surely Utando Nestembo Uncut came back hot than ever. We can see on the next episode that will be happening this coming Friday. Umangwawe telling Umawande that he is getting divorced to Umusamseleko because he wants to, because she can't take it anymore, as she had said. And she was telling Umawande that she must understand that she is getting more hurt than everyone else here, and she's pleading with her daughter to understand why she is doing this. So Umawande was asking her that is she divorcing her dad because of number 5. She says no, she is divorcing Musamseleko because she wants to, not because of Umakwela. So this coming Friday, which means we'll be reflecting on Umangwabe and Umawande. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to keep all the updates.